Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we're installing 2014 Dodge Ram. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the system and the feature that come with the system as well. This is our newest version of 14.4 inches high definition screen. Actually, it's not just HD. This screen panel comes with 2K resolution. And you can see the pixel density is very nice. I will show you step by step and show you how great of this screen. And this system also fully compatible with the original steering wheel control, original backup camera, original heat seat and ventilated seat. If your car comes with the heat steering wheel, it will also be fully compatible as well. As you can see, you can also use the touchscreen to control all the temperature function right here. If your car comes with dual climate control, you can also use this one to control. You also support the dual climate control as well. Okay, you can also change the temperature right here. And this is fully compatible with the trailer brake control, exhaust brake. As you can see, all the features will be located at the bottom right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see that clearly. It's at the bottom right here. As you can see, all the button panel will be transferred directly to the new system. I'm gonna explain the hardware specification of the system. The system comes with 8 GB of the RAM and 128 GB of the storage memory. It also comes with the newest generation of the Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. That means you can also insert the SIM card to the unit and then you can access to the internet without connecting to the Wi-Fi hotspot of the cell phone. This is very convenient. And of course, if you don't want to use the SIM card, you can always just share the Wi-Fi hotspot of the cell phone to the unit and then you can still access to the internet. Maybe some people ask, why do I need to use the internet? Yes, the system does not require the internet to function. The system comes with the offline navigation, so you don't need the Wi-Fi to use the navigation. You come with the offline navigation, just keep that in mind. However, if you want to watch the Netflix, YouTube, such as the Netflix or YouTube or this kind of application, you might require to connect the Wi-Fi hotspot to the unit and provide the internet, provide the data. And this is also compatible with the original Alpine sound system. If you come with your car, if your car equipped with the premium sound system such as the Alpine, you can also, as you can see, this is fully compatible as well. You can also adjust all the sound quality and sound function from the unit. I will show you. It's right here. You can go to console. You can go car setting. Scroll all the way down here. And then you can see it provides you all the features of the amplifier, such as the surround sound system. Okay, you can turn on the surround sound system right here. And you can also adjust the bass level, and it comes with many features right here. As you can see, I'm gonna start from the top. The headlight switch, so you will not lose any of the original feature. And of course, if you want to install the aftermarket amplifier, this system will also be compatible with the RCA output. So you can still connect to the subwoofer output as well. As you can see, show you all the information is very nice. And I'm going to show you how to connect the Wi-Fi. The system comes with the wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. I will show you step by step how to use the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in this video. First of all, I'm going to show you how to connect the Wi-Fi. It's very easy. Just pull down the menu from the top, hold the icon right here, connect to your cell phone. Once you connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot, then you can access most of the features right here, such as the Netflix. You can log into your account. The system comes with the video in motion. That means the passenger will be able to watch the video while the car is in motion. And this feature for sure, mostly is just designed for the passenger, driver better to focus on driving, right? And other than that, you can download any application from the Google App Store, such as the Netflix, Tubi, Waze, and all different kind of applications such as the Amazon too. You can also download the Amazon app right here. You can also do the online shopping on the road trip. It's very nice. And it basically is a tablet. And of course, it also comes to YouTube right here as well. I'm going to show you the radio right here. The radio is fully compatible with the original radio.
I produce, direct, and star in my own summer blockbusters.
And watch him in my 200-seat home theater.
I buy my own roller coaster.
As you can see, you can also use the steering wheel control to control all this kind of feature. And it also comes with the equalizer and DSP. It's built-in DSP. how to adjust the setting right here, just click on the general audio equalizer, but I will show you how to change the setting right here first. The system comes with two built-in interface. One is the classic style and the one is the modern style right here. Let's check out how it looks like for the modern style. The modern style will bring you this whole modern look here. You can relocate all the icon based on your personal preference for sure. And it looks exactly probably very similar to the Samsung tablet. And in this video, I'm gonna just maintain at classic mode, so it will be easier for you guys to see that. And it also comes daytime mode and nighttime mode too. If you can also leave it to auto mode, okay? And I'm gonna show you. This is the nighttime mode right here. Everything will change to dark color, which some people might prefer. It also looks very cool. As you can see right here, this is the nighttime mode here. Under the nighttime mode, it will be easier for you to see the probably because of the contrast. And other than that, you can change the language right here. The language come with multiple language right here. You can change the interface. You can also change the radio region based on your area. And you also change the unit, like Celsius or Fahrenheit. You can also change from here, mile or kilometer. And audio is another option right here. Just like what I mentioned, this system comes with the built-in DSP and equalizer. You can adjust all the settings right here based on your personal preference. You can find the best setting for your audio. If you mess up with the setting, no problem. You can just click on reset and then the system will reset back to the factory default. So you don't need to worry about that one. And another thing is the microphone gain. This one is the new feature. This one will significantly increase the Bluetooth performance. It will also increase the sensitivity of the microphone. That one is very, very helpful. And sound gain, for sure, you can control the audio output on every single application right here. It provides you with more control of the system. Video is another thing that, like what I mentioned, the system comes the video in motion. That means you can watch the video while the car is in motion, right? But if you're concerned about the safety, you can also turn it off as well. It's controlled by the software. And user is another interface, another setting menu that will allow you to customize the unit further. For example, you can define the navigation software to Google Map or Waze. For example, I want to define to Google Map, then you can, on the main menu, it will show you Google Map here. Then it will show you the Google Map at the front menu. It's very, very useful. And other than that, you can also change the boot up logo, boot animation. App customize another feature that will allow you to change the app, the shortcut on the main menu. For example, I want to change this one to YouTube. Then you can just change this one to YouTube. As you can see, the YouTube is right here. So it will be easy for you to access to the application without bring out the menu right here. And other than that, of course, you can use the weather app right here. This is the weather app here. It's very nice. And this car also equipped with the backup camera, original backup camera. So basically, as you can see, it's fully compatible with the original camera as well. And the thing is, this also comes with some physical button right here. This panel, all this kind of button are transferred from the original, so you won't lose any of the original feature. Okay, some of the cars they come with more feature, exhaust brake and everything, so you can transfer from here. All right. Another thing is climate control. I'm gonna show you the climate control right here. You can also change the fan speed. You can change the heat seat, ventilator seat. Everything is fully compatible with the original vehicle. This car does not come with the ventilator seat, so you cannot use it. And this one, and you can also change the mode. It's very nice, very, very nice. And I'm gonna show you a little bit here under the setting, under the actually go to the console, car setting. You can change all these features. You also support the backup sensor, front sensor or reverse sensor. Everything you can control from here. Okay, so it's very nice. And other than that, of course, you can also change what else can we change? You can go to, another thing is other than the online video application, you can also copy the music or video to the USB. You can also play this video or media from the USB directly. Okay, so you don't need to use the internet to watch the movie. The system also comes with the wireless Apple CarPlay. How to use the wireless Apple CarPlay? Basically, the wireless Apple CarPlay will provide you with the feature of the phone call, media playback, and navigation. First of all, you need to go to Bluetooth here. Okay, and then click on the icon right over there. Search the Bluetooth device of the system. Click on this one, connect. Seems nice slowing. I'm gonna close a little bit on the window. And then pair. Wait for a moment. As you can see, it turns blue. And then go back, Car Auto. For the first time, it might take a little bit longer to pair, but after you finish pairing with the system, every time when you get into the car, you will automatically pair with your phone. To connect to the Android Auto, the procedure is very similar. As you can see, the wireless Apple CarPlay is already connected. This one actually is very nice because the screen resolution is very nice. It's 14.4 inches. And this one provides with the feature of the navigation. It also comes with two interfaces. One is the split screen feature. The split screen feature of the Apple CarPlay will provide navigation on top and media information at the bottom. And of course, you can also come with another interface, like it show you all the icon right here. You can change the wallpaper of the CarPlay. How to do that? Basically, just go to setting here, go to wallpaper, and then you can select all this wallpaper. However, the choices of the wallpaper are limited, so you can only choose this kind of image for the wallpaper. So the system also supports the voice control. It's much better than the original Uconnect based on my personal experience. How to activate the voice control? Basically, just hold the bottom left corner. What's the temperature today?
The high temperature today will be 3 degrees Celsius, and the low will be -5 degrees Celsius.
Or maybe you can bring me to the gas station.
One option is Esso on Kennedy Road in Markham, a little over a kilometer to your east. Does that one sound good?
It's very nice. As you can see, it's very responsive. The voice control is very accurate. And the screen resolution is also very great. In order to go back to the main menu, just click on here, Car, and it will bring you back to the original menu. In order to bring back the Apple CarPlay Android Auto, just click on Car Auto. It will bring you to you can see the system is very smooth, it's very fast. The system also comes with the backlight right here, illumination of the backlight. You can change the color of the backlight. How to do that? Just go to app list right here, go to ambient set. You can change the color. As you can see, it's very nice. You can also set the color to be changed by yourself. You can click on color changing, and then this color will change by itself. As you can see, very nice, very cool. If you want to match with the original color, then you can just click on blue, and then you will match with the original color right here. At the end, I want to show you guys something. How much is stick out of the screen? This is a good question, okay? Because this one is basically almost level to the dash. It's not stick out too much, you know what I mean? And it looks very nice. It looks brand into the dash right here. It's very nice. And you won't lose the compartment tray right here. You can still store your stuff here, you know. As you can see, it's very nice. The screen quality is very nice, and you can see the IPS panel, right? So the view angle is great. Even at this angle, it's almost the same level as the screen. You can still see the screen very clearly. This system can also be purchased from our website, www.AutoTecPro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us. AutoTecPro will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.